and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add Google Lens on Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add Google Lens on Android device, all you need to do is simply tap on your Play Store app. So once you tap on Play Store, you need to go and tap on the search bar and type in Google Lens. So after you do this, you can find the Google Lenses option by Google LCC, which you need to tap on install. So once the app gets downloaded in your device, after taking few time, you can simply have it enabled in your Android device or get it added in your Android device. So once it's downloaded, it will get installed in your device, so you can simply surf it through your Play Store, or you can go in your home store to tap it open. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.